Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Sentra with a 1.8 motor in it, and we're going to go over how you'd replace your spark plugs. So to start with, you're going to remove the ignition coil. I have a video of how to do that, but either way, the ignition coil sits in here, and a quick overview is you have a bolt that holds the ignition coil in here. There's an electrical connector, and then this breather hose that you're going to move off to the back, and then that way you can pull the ignition coil out and remove. And then you're going to need a thin wall deep socket, and that's a number 14, but you're going to want a thin wall socket to be able to drop in there. Alright, so this is the spark plug been removed. We have it's a size 14 millimeter to remove it. So you would just get a new spark plug to put in it. Make sure that the gap is set to the spec it's supposed to be. A lot of times they're already preset before you get it. And so when you get your new one, so you'll get your new spark plug and put it in. The reason I had to use a magnet to get it out, I've misplaced my actual, what do you call it, spark plug socket that has a little rubber grommet that will grip the top of this. So I've got our new spark plug right here to put back in, and so we've got a new spark plug. I'm using I just need something to hold the spark plug as I put it down in the hole so it doesn't just fall and hit the bottom like that. And so the spark plug has been started, it's in the bottom there. And now you can use your ratchet and tighten it up. So you torque that to spec. Alright, so that's all tightened and to spec, and then you'll just go ahead and reinstall your ignition coil and proceed to do the rest of your spark plugs. So there's 4 spark plugs on here, so you just repeat this process the 4 times on your 1.8 motor. So thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.